I would hide foods and I would get the foods and I couldn't stop. I'm a completer eater. So it doesn't matter if you give me a 12-ounce bag of chips, a 16-ounce bag, or a 24-ounce bag. I'm gonna eat them till it's all gone. My cholesterol has been high since 2012. I started having problems with my knee, and I went to the doctor, who told me, I had all this inflammation and I'm gonna need knee replacement surgery. I had a rude awakening when I was walking through Macy's and fell. My knee just gave out. I fell on my face in the middle of Macy's. And I'm like, Lord, what is happening to my body? And why can't I keep the weight off? Why do I have to have these cravings? Why do I have to continuously eat things that I know are not good for me? And Lord, why don't I have any control over this? I kept saying, there's got to be something I can do. There has to be another way. Everybody around church is talking about Zoe weight loss. So I thought, okay, what do I have to lose? Zoe Wellness. And I started seeing results. The cravings were gone. The weight was coming off. And needless to say, the program wasn't hard to follow. I would come in and I would meet with my counselor and got the support that I needed. In 30 days, I lost 21 pounds, but that wasn't the significant part. I had energy. I have 6 grandkids. I could run with them. I could run with my grandkids. I could walk. Up steps and not be winded. And these are things you take for granted, but they affect quality of life. I'm supposed to have high cholesterol because it's genetic. I believed that. And I learned from my counselor today, after reading all my results, no, it's not genetic. Do you know how freeing that is? I always believed I was supposed to be fat. After all, I was born Ann Thomas. I was named after my grandmother, Ann Thomas. And she was obese. And we called her Fat Grandma Ann. That's what we all called her, Fat Grandma Ann. And all of my relatives, you're gonna be like Fat Grandma Ann. We all laughed at it, Fat Grandma Ann. I'm supposed to be fat. I'm supposed to have high cholesterol. But when I went for that physical in July of 2021, my cholesterol is within the normal range. As a matter of fact, my cholesterol dropped by 47 points. My LDL dropped by 29 points. And I was excited about that. I immediately called to tell Zoe, listen, whatever y'all are doing, whatever your program is about, people need to hear about it. It works. I'm a witness. It works. I volunteered to give a testimony because I know so many women, so many people, and especially people of color who are dealing with high cholesterol, blood pressure, diabetes, but we don't understand why. We think it's just because we're fat, but we don't understand the role of inflammation in our body. We need to be educated. We don't understand why it's important to detox. We're slaves to these decisions we make about what food we eat, but we don't have to be. My family has been able to see a change in me. Not only were they able to see it with clothes, I have a closet full of clothes, but it's not because I can wear all of them at any one point in time. I've got clothes for this size, and this size. I am going home today and I'm getting rid of all the fat girl clothes. I'm doing that because I know that I'm not going to ever need them again. Because I understand now what it takes to keep it off. Since I stopped the 30-day program, I'm still losing weight. I am still losing weight. I can't say enough about the program. I thank my pastors for presenting this opportunity to us here. I thank Damon Davis, the founder of Zoe Wellness, who's gracious and kind. I'm gonna continue doing what my Zoe counselor tells me to do. I'm gonna stay on the program. You see, I'm doing round 2.
I'm so excited about Aunt Terry doing her second round. She did phenomenal in her first round, so I'm just looking forward to what she's gonna be able to do on the second round. I know for her first round, her objective was not just the weight loss, but to improve her cholesterol, which she accomplished that.
I'm thankful. I'm thankful for everything that Zoe has done.